Hello everybody and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I want to show you some hot, low content activity book niches. This is really cool because, the low content activity books, coloring books, all that, while you may have been told that they're just overly saturated, that's just not true. Obviously, if you type in kids coloring book or kids activity book, something like that, you are going to get thousands, probably 10,000 plus results. And that would be considered saturated. But what you need to do and focus on is niching down to kids age groups, the different types of activity books or coloring books that you can create, specific animals, specific grade levels and ages, all that stuff. When you really start diving into these keywords, you can start niching down and have success. So I want to show you some hot, low content activity book niches. So let's go. But these are my custom bonuses. These will not be offered by anybody else. So the first one right here, if you type in kids ... books ages 4 to 6, now you could remove this and there's plenty of different ages, right? And so we have our extension over here, AMZ, Suggestion Expander. It's going to come up with different keywords for us that people actually are typing in. So if what this is telling us over here in this box is that people are typing this exact keyword into Amazon. And so you can go to any age group you want. Obviously, the 9 to 12-year-olds, the activity book is going to be greatly different than, say, a 4-year-old, 6-year-old, 3-year-old, something like that. So if we go to, 4 to 6, ages 4 to 6, which is pretty common, that's the age that kids are going into kindergarten, preschool, and this is really where they're learning and utilizing these books. So I think this is a great age. So we come over here and we look at it, and we look at that there's only 1,000 results. So we like to look for things that are 1,000 or less. I usually like to stay under 2,000. Depending on the niche, I will go 2,000 or less. But in this case, I like to see 1,000 or less. And so, and we're searching in all. So I like that. So what we'll do is we will look, and right now, I don't know if any of you are having issues with the quick view, but my DS Amazon quick view is not working today. And I have a lot of other tools. I've checked several other tools that I use that also provide the BSR, the best sellers rank, and none of them seem to be working. So there must be something going on with the connection where Amazon's probably done something to shut off these search pages where you have an API into those different extensions, and that is now faulty or not working. Because if you're looking at all the tools and it's not providing it, then there's definitely something going on. Please comment below if you're having any of these issues with your tools doing your research right now. But that's okay. We can still go back to the old manual way, right? And so what I like to do is we'll just click a couple of these, right? Just to see, I like to look at reviews, look at all the different reviews that we're getting over here. Here's an animal ... ages 4 to 8. And it has a lot of reviews. So I'm sure it has a good BSR. So we'll just check a couple of those real quick. And what you do, this is great kind of an overview into looking at what the old way before they came out with these cool, nice, efficient tools. You're just going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to look for the best sellers rank. And it's right here. So this one's ranked 6,000. BSR. It's ranked number 1, number 2, and number 4 in different ones. Even ... activity books, it's ranked number 4. So this book is selling like hotcakes. Has a really good BSR. We're going to go check this one out real quick as well. It has been out for a few years, but it's selling really well, and it's actually ranked 30,000. So try to look for a couple books that are ranked under 100,000, and that will tell me that this is worth looking into, because we can go back and we can look at the fact that there's 1,000 or less results in all when we search from all, and then we have these really hot selling items. So it brings us into a niche number 2, kids animal word puzzles, ages 4 to 8. This one is a little bit more competitive at 3,000, but you can still continue to dive in, maybe replace animal with dinosaur. You see the first book right here ranking. I don't believe, nope, I believe that's sponsored. But you could have dinosaur there, dogs, different types of pets, things like that, right? So that other book is ranked right here. So we already know it has a good ranking, but our keyword, kids animal word puzzle searches, right? So here's a bunch of animals on the book, and it is a word search puzzle. Looks like it is in the age range, and it has good reviews. So just try to look, what I recommend, looking through a couple of these and just going and making sure that the BSR, this one's at 24,000, so it looks really good, right? And so we can just keep going. Niche number 3, I want to show you, connect the dots for kids ages 4 to 8. I like the 4 to 8 range, personally. But you can see there's 2,000 or less results. I skipped the sponsored ads, right? And then we just kind of look at the first one. Here's a dot to dot right here. And then I like to scroll down the page when I'm doing manual research. There's that other book showing up for several keywords. And then this other one right here too. So, and then maybe right here, we know it's going to have a pretty decent, BSR based on the amount of reviews it has, right? So we're going to check this out, go to this book, and it's at 62,000. We'll come back over here, check this activity book for kids. This one's 6 to 8 years old. We're going to come down here, and it's ranked 20,000. So that obviously these books have some weight behind them. They have good BSRs. They have good, nice looking covers, and they're pretty easy to create. Last but not least, I believe this is niche number 4. Wanted to show you, here is an insect books for kids 3 to 5, and it's got 1,000 results or less. And we'll come check this out. And actually, this one's kind of interesting. Is that, when you come down here, I don't see any that are at the paperback level. So there's no paperback right there. It's an insect books for kids. So you can take this variation and come up with some different keywords, possibly getting specific to the paperback book that we're going to try to create. But obviously these bug books help children learn about bugs, right? The bug book. All these books are going to help kids learn about bugs, and they obviously, I don't even need to show you, but they have high BSRs as well. And so I hope that these niches kind of just get your creative juices flowing, get you starting to think outside the box a little bit on how you can really niche down. And I'm showing you how you can niche down and with good BSRs and not a whole lot of listings on Amazon. And so so with that said, these bug books, these animal type activity books, I want to show you something that just hit the market yesterday, and I just want to make sure that I'm sharing high quality products with you guys. I think that this one is just insane for the price that you have to pay for this. This is an insane amount of stuff you're getting for this, and this would allow you to have so many assets to publish high quality activity books for a long time to come. So the headline of this is get 10 new modules with over 180 pages of activities kit. So you can use these to publish your own children's activity books. And so it's kind of the headline, but really what this is that this is the Little Buggie activity kit that just hit. And it comes out, it has commercial license. You're able to create all of any amount of activity books that you want. And all those niches that I just showed you would correlate with this activity book. And so you're going to get, and this is only, the sale is going on. I believe it's been going on for about a day and a half. And I just learned about it. So that's why I'm a little late showing you it, but it's still going for the launch price. We have about a day and a half before the price goes up. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, as I know you guys are fiercely creating your low content books. I'm getting ready for Q4, which hits in a couple of weeks. I'm sure you're excited for October, November, December. So you're going to get all kinds of stuff, 30 coloring, rewriting dot exercises, picture matching. You're going to get writing exercises, finish the word. You're going to get 6 sets of word puzzles, 8 sets of bug and spelling names, 10 sets of maze games, 30 pages of dot to dot, 30 pages of dot to dot with silhouettes, 3 different size posters with first letters, and I'm going to show you. And you get everything in Word and PowerPoint and JPEG. It's just an incredible amount of assets that you get. So you get JPEG, PowerPoint, and Word. So we'll just keep scrolling down. The price is $17 right now, and it does keep going up. So the quicker that you jump in, I believe it's on a dime sale. So every sale, it goes up like 10 cents. It says only one more at this price right now at the time of this recording. So the price does go up every sale. So you want to jump in on this because the regular price is $47. And so here are some of the stuff that I just showed you, how these really are selling. There is a niche for this. And if we scroll down, here we are with just keep scrolling. So here's some of the stuff that you get inside the kit. These are just really, really awesome assets that they were able to create. And you just you can see the quality of, of what this, what these can do. And, you can take these and you can also use them not just on KDP, but you could also take these and post them on an Etsy shop. These would sell really well on an Etsy shop. And if you're a member of Amazon Ignite, you can sell the digital copies of this on Amazon as well. And so there's so many things that you can do with this. See, you get all this stuff so kids can learn about bugs, and the list just keeps going on and on. You just get so much, learning pages right here, spelling. It helps with spelling, and it just keeps going. Here's some crossword puzzles and some matching games, and some mazes and dot to dot, connect the dots here. And it just keeps going. This is one of the best low content activity kits that I've ever seen come out for this price of $17 right now. Full size posters right there. And you even get some PSD files, editable front and back. I believe you also get update. Now you can edit them using Word. I'm sure most of you would be interested in the Word copy. So you're going to get these and you're able to utilize these, change the font a little bit, and you can utilize these covers templates that you're going to get with it as well. So that is the activity Little Buggie activity book kit. And so as an incentive for picking it up, if you choose to pick it up, you may as well pick it up through my link below, because you will get these bonuses. So not only are you going to get the 180 pages that come with the Little Buggie activity kit, but these are my custom bonuses. These will not be offered by anybody else. And bonus number 1, to help you along your way. I know that you're fiercely motivated and you're working hard every day, but to keep you motivated, here is a Relentless Drive motivational 1-hour video course. It comes with 12 videos just to keep you on track, keep you motivated, and just teach you more about keeping that drive to continue to work on your business. It's a really, really good course. So that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, you're going to get this Cosmos Kindle cover template. So you get this template right here, and you get the PSD file, and you can change it and change the text. But it's really, really high quality text that I've never seen anything like this before. The type of text is definitely custom. Would look good on you can transfer this to be utilized with Kindle or a paperback. But the PSD file there, you don't have to have Photoshop to edit it. There's other free online editors that will allow you to edit PSD files. So you get that as a bonus as well. And then bonus number 3, you're going to get another one, which is actually related to the Little Buggie's activity kit. You're going to get Bugs Journey Kindle cover template. So you're going to get another template, really, really cool artwork here. You can use this for so many different books. Just change this image out and put in the your author name and the title and all that. But really, really cool. You're going to get that as well. And then bonus number 4, you're also going to get my Fiverr success course. It's 12 over-the-shoulder training videos on how I make money on Fiverr every single day. You will get access to this. Some of you already have access to this, but this is a really, really good course. It's a custom course that I have put together personally, and it shares exactly what I do on Fiverr. to make money on a daily basis. Here is that Relentless Drive course, video course that you're able to just check out. What you get. All these different videos, you're going to get all this, and you get it for free. As a bonus, if you decide to pick up the little Buggie activity kit. And then also the 5 or 6S course, just letting you know. And this is really cool because my numbers have changed a lot since these screenshots here. I've made a lot more money than that now, and continue to make money. And I have since then raised the price on this course. It was selling for $1 as just a launch special for a few months. I have raised the price, and I am making sales daily at the $5 level. And so this is a paid course, and you will get this for free as a bonus for picking up the activity book kit. So if you purchase, go ahead and click the link below. You will have access immediately after your purchase to this page right here. And all you do is you just go down to the bonus, and you click on the bonus link here, and you open it up, and you will have your downloads and everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't have to purchase this by any means, but just wanted to show you what's out there. I wanted to show you all these different niches that are out there that you can get going on to ensure that you're going to make sales in Q4. And then I'm also just bringing some different tools to you that if you wanted to speed up the process, that there are done for you kits and done for you packs that, if you're willing to spend just a little bit of money, then I'm sure it saves a ton of time. And the way that you put these books together, it's still going to be a different variation than somebody else putting it together. So not everybody's going to have the same book from this kit posted. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.